The microwave was invented because a chocolate bar melted in someone's pocket. In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer was working with radar equipment when he noticed that the chocolate bar in his pocket had mysteriously melted. Curious, he placed some popcorn kernels near the equipment and watched as they started popping. He then tried it with an egg, which ended up exploding in another man's face. Spencer realized the microwaves produced by the equipment could actually be used to cook food. And just 1 year later, the first commercial microwave oven was released. There was just one problem. It was nearly 6 feet tall, weighed over 700 pounds, and cost about $5,000.